Hi guys, myself Shankar. I will discuss about one-to-one unidirectional association mapping example. Let's assume the TV channel subscription process. Take two entities. Example, customer subscription. Subscription. This is the sixth video of association mappings for previous videos. Please go through association mappings in JP and IBNet playlist. So let's start the coding. First, create the project in real time. Project creation recommended by using Spring Initializer. Go to Spring Initializer. Select the language. Select the project build tool. Select the build tool. Select the Spring version. Select the dependencies. Verb. Second one, MySQL. Third one, Data JPA. Fourth one, Lombok. Group means company name. First day, interview, guide. Artifact ID means project name. One-to-one, uni direction. So this is the description. You can change to one-to-one uni direction. Package name, group name. Most of time same. So we can change to like package name and group name same. Packaging Java version 70 dependencies. 4 dependencies added. Verb MySQL Spring Data JPA Lombok. Generate project. It is downloaded. Go to downloads. Cut this one. Cut. Go to workspace. I am created workspace in desktop, but in desktop, creating workspace is not recommended. You can choose another drive to create workspace because if anything went wrong, your OS corrupted, so you will lose all programs. So after extracting, go to IDE, file, import, existing Maven projects, browse, go to desktop, associate mappings, workspace, this is workspace, one-to-one unidirectional, finish. Yeah, imported, go to application.properties, remove this one, server.port 9092. This is the symbol for the command as database configuration properties. String dot data source dot driver class name control space. Yeah, see here at bottom it is loading the properties. Wait some time. Once it is loading completed, then if you are typing control space, then you will get some driver class names. It is loading the all. It is actually searching dependencies or it is loading control space here. Choose first one. String dot data source dot URL JDBC colon MySQL colon /. This application in I'm running in localhost local, so I'm using localhost colon 3306. This is the MySQL port slash develop. Develop is a schema or database I will need to create. Let's go to MySQL workbench. Here, create database develop. Select this one, run. It is created. Here, refresh it. Here, develop and use develop. Run this command. Yeah, it is changed to develop. So present it is pointing to develop schema. Next, go to IDE. String dot data source dot password root string dot data source the source dot username, root. Both username and password I mention while installation time root. As this is the command JPA configuration properties, JPA configuration properties spring dot JPA dot spring dot JPA dot hibernate DDL auto. See here, create is there, create drop non update validate. So we will use update. If your tables are not exist, then it will create. If table exists, it will update. Spring dot JPA dot show SQL. It is boolean, so true. Next one, spring dot JPA dot properties. Spring dot JPA dot properties dot hibernate dot format underscore SQL. For this key value pair, you will not get any up to here you will get some suggestion, but later here you will not get any suggestions. Control S. Let's run it. So if any wrong in these properties, it will be failed. Let's check the conjure. So I am using Spring Boot version 3.2.3. Here, this MySQL is using Ikari connection for a data source. So application started, so no errors. So create the entities. Here go to close this one. Right click, new class dot entity. Entities are recommended to place in the entity package. Customer, finish, create another entity. Subscription, finish. In subscription, use entity annotation. Name is equal to subscription underscore table. Write some fields like private long, subscription ID, private string name, private integer, period, private double amount. Voila. Here, see here, in subscription, just one default constructor is there. These are the fields are there. So when we use at setter, it will be setters are generated. When we use at getter, it will be getters are generated. So for this ID field, ID means it is a primary key. We need to generate generated value. Strategy is equal to here identity is there, generation type dot identity. Recommended to use for MySQL. Identity generated is recommended to use for MySQL. This is a long name is there, right? So by using column, we can decrease this one. Column name is equal to, for our understanding, I will make like a primary key, like SID PK. This is the primary key. So yeah, this is the subscription, this is the name, this is the period amount. So it is completed. Copy these, go to customer, paste here, and change to customer and go to properties PRI private long customer ID. Use these two. So customer ID primary key. Next we'll private long phone number. So it is also long, right? You can use like a column name equal to phone number. Next one private string name, private string email. So here we need to mention as a variable. Private subscription we need to mention here. Along with we need to add association relation. So 1 to 1, and we need to mention join column. This is the name, our choice name we can mention, like subscription ID FK foreign key. This is the foreign key. It will refers to the subscription table. We need to use cascade also. Cascade is nothing but when parent, like suppose this is the customer. When customer is loaded, then we are telling to should load the subscription as well. I means whenever whatever operations are performed with customer, that should be reflected in subscription as well. By using this cascade, we are telling whatever operations we are performing in customer should those are reflected in subscription as well. For that, we are using cascade type all. Like all is a combination of, see, all is a combination of, you can see control space all. You can open, see, cascade type all. See, all is a combination of like persist, refresh, remove, lock. These are the called all. Like cascade type is there, right? Whatever remaining are all means remaining. These are like persist, remove, refresh, detach, lock. These are called all. So that means cascade type equal to all. That means whatever operations done in parent should be reflected in child as well. For that purpose, we are using cascade. So we are added association annotation 1 to 1 join column for foreign key for linking two tables. This means for linking two tables, for this linking two tables. This is unidirectional only. So bidirectional we need to use 1 to 1 in this table also. So we are not mentioning anything here. Let's create a repositories. Right click new interface. Here dot repo customer repo JPA repository. Finish. Maximize here. T means entity table. ID means here primary key. Check here. Primary key long. Entity type is customer. Here we need to mention customer primary key value. Controllers. Same create another entity, another repository, interface, subscription, repo, AR interface, JPA repository, finish. Change here these two. T means entity name, control space, subscription. Here ID value, ID long, control shift over. See, multiple imports are there. See, our import is com.fst interview guide entity. If you are wrong import, then you will not able to, you will get a lot of errors in application. So be careful while importing. You can choose the right classes. Entity is completed, repo is completed, create the controller. Here I am skipping the service, so I am going to directly controller. So to save sometimes I am skipping the service TV customer, TV customer, rest controller. Here package com.fsd interview guide dot rest controller. Finish. Maximize for object instantiation. For object creation, use rest controller. It will create the object for this class. Class level mapping. So if you are using name, like if you are using name, class IP it is the wrong. You can use value here. This is the correct one. This is the correct one. So we can do correct operations like save, update, find, delete. So I will now save the customer public response entity. Public response entity. T means our entity. Customer. See imports carefully. If you get imported wrong one, you will not get that output. You will get a lot of errors. Save customer. Get request body. If you are missing a request body, then nulls are inserted. Customer. Auto repositories private customer before customer private customer repo change your name change to customer repo go here control space repo cost repo auto same copy this one another warehouse repository is there subscription repo you can use sub here customer repo cost repo reference variable dot save customer it will return so customer saved return new response entity of saved comma http status dot created semicolon. So this is the post mapping. It is recommended to use two like a customer. This is the customer entity as operation save like two. This is the one. This is the one. Two level. Let's stop application. We can save one record. Right click. Run as Spring Boot application. Verify here. Customer table is created. We are using generated auto like increment. It is ID value is automatically incremented. Primary key, foreign key, everything is so it is created. subscription table, some constraint foreign key is added. So go to postman. So this is the post method. Go to application or properties. Verify the port number 9092 http colon double slash localhost 9092 class API class. Here go to this controller. This is API. Here method level path customer save. Customer hyphen save. This is body raw. Here JSON. Here go to entity customer maximize. ID value is not required, it is auto generated. Phone number. We need to use these fields, not this field, not this field. If you are inserting data through MySQL, if you are inserting, suppose if you are inserting, we need to take column like these values. I will show. Like here, take the phone number here. If you are inserting here, we need to take these values. But if you are inserting through Postman, we need to take these values. These phone number. Phone number, it is a long. Keys are string only. So suppose some phone number, comma, next name. Name is a string. So center, comma, next one, email. Suppose at gmail.com. Here go to entity, this complete name completed, this complete here. Yeah, as a variable is there. So we need to pass subscription. This is the another class. We can represent like this. Here fields name, center, period. Period is there. Check data type of period. Period is integer, double. So period is there. Suppose 31 days. Period. Here column. Next one, amount. Amount is in double. So about 300.00. Yeah. So send, before sending, you can go to repository. So here created means 201 is the endpoint. So here at conjure insert queries are generated. Two insert queries are generated. Go to postman. 201 created. Go to database. Refresh it and see here data inserted. So it is closed. Let's go to workbench. Yeah, dev. Passport root. Our schema database is developed. Meanwhile, we can create another method like update. Instead of save, we can use update. So we are doing partial update for patch at patch mapping for partial update. Control C to instead of create, you can change to here. Okay. Select Control Shift have format. So go to MySQL, open the table. Open another table. Paint. Take one snapshot. Here, customer. Copy. Control V. Go to subscription. Snapshot. Take another. Copy. Here, see here. So this is the primary key. This is the primary key. So this is the primary key. Yeah, this is the foreign key one. This foreign key connected with this primary key. This foreign key linked with this primary key. Don't say. Okay, next going to update operation, customer update, patch mapping. Patch mapping or patch update, postman, patch update. So we want to update like name to Raju. We want to update name to Raju. Hit 404 not found because I have not restarted server. Let's start again. Run here. Spring Boot app. It is starting the server. Once server up, we will hit the pass an update endpoint. Hit the endpoint. Yeah, 200. Raju updated. Let's go to database and verify. Select this one, hit. Yes, another record with Raju updated. Oh, okay. Yes, here another record created, but we want same record to update. Then post we need to find the. So go to controller. Post we need to find the record. So we need to post find the record. For that, find by ID. Find by ID. For time saving, I'm copying this one. Find by ID. Find by customer. Next, remove this at path variable. Path variable ID. ID. Yeah, long ID. Go to change find slash path variable we can declare like so find means get control shift to control shift to next find by id find by id dot get into uh, customer support. We got the customer control s stop the server. Let's verify it is working or not. Right, run as spring boot app. Yes, go to get customer, check the path controller customer find id customer find slash id one error. So we got some error. That's what is happening. Not present. No space. Stop the server. Run again. Run as Spring Boot app. Go to customer try. Yeah, it is 200. Okay. Retrieve the record. Here, query, find by ID. I am selecting. So it is using left join to retrieve the record by using two tables. So go to controller. Post our into this one update. For update, we need to retrieve the post. So we can pass this one as well. Long ID. Find by customer. This is the update operation, but it is performed like a save. So I will need to change find by ID. So we can use the like this one, copy, paste here, semicolon. So update as ID, control S. After we are getting here, you can use this one. Next, suppose customer one, take this one, dot set. Suppose I'm updating name, right? Customer dot get name, semicolon, control S. Stop the server. So again run a Spring Boot app. Update ID. So post mapping, update, we want to pass ID 1. So we are updating Raju in record 1. Hit, it is 404 not found. Update ID. So we are missing slash here, control S. Stop this one. Right click, run as Spring Boot app. It is our application is running. Once running completed, so we need to test Postman through. Hit endpoint. Go to controller here, path mapping. So we need to change not get here. Path mapping, customer one, not found, update customer, update. We need to change here. Update yeah, 200 successfully updated. Update one. Let's go here. After updating, we need to save. Yeah, we need to save. Not customer, we need to save. First one. Stop the server. Run here. Spring Boot app. Go to Postman. Hit again. I want to change post record. Yes, post record. Raju successfully saved. Let's go to Postman. Refresh and hit customer. See a post record. Raju successfully saved. So go to controller. Update method completed. Save method completed. Update method completed. Find by ID completed. I want to find by all records. Get all records. I want to get all records. Get all records. So all remove this one. Yeah, this is not required. And get all. It is the list. So multiple list here. You change to all. Next you can use list. List of customers we will get. List of customers. You can use list also here. Customers. Select Control Shift F. Control Shift O. Control Shift O for imports. Choose right import. Control S. Stop the server. Go to starter class. Run as Spring Boot application. Here get. We want to find all records. So get. Find all. Find all. Hit. Here we got 1, 2, 3. And remaining operation delete. Just copy this one. This is the save, update, get, last one, delete. Delete by ID. If change, delete. Here change, delete. Find by instead of change to delete. Select Control Shift O, Control Shift F, Control S. Stop the server. Here change to delete by ID, long ID. Here it is a void return type. You can change to string. There is no, yeah. You can change to string. Successfully deleted. Control S. Start the server. Run here. Spring Boot app. So go to delete. I want to delete post record API customer. Delete that one. I want to record post record to delete. Hit. Successfully deleted. Let's check. Get. find slash all. Here, second record, there is no post record. Second, third. So, here this is the selector is by using. You are using the left join to retrieve the multiple records, like multiple records by using joins. So we are successfully completed current application. It is we are performing like save operation, update operation, get operation, delete operation. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And here, go here. I am not using any fetch type by default. Here, by default, 1-to-1 is the Jaeger fetch type. Jaeger fetch type, and you can go here. Suppose find by ID, right? Take this one. Find by ID instead of customer. Subscription. Find ID. Subscription. Instead of subscription. Control C to work. Instead of sub. Find by ID get subscription. 10 to smallest. Subscription. 10 to your subscription. Sub repo. Go here. Sub repo. I thought this is also repo. 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 Character. Control C, Control S. Stop the server. Run a Spring Boot app. Go to Postman. So it is the get only. Like customer. Subscription. Subscription. Find by ID. So give to. Once it is started, hit one. Hit enter and yes, here it is just showing subscription. There is no customer. That means it is the unidirectional. So it is the unidirectional. Remember, this is the 1-to-1 unidirectional, because by using customer we can get the subscription details. By using subscription we will not get any customer details. And 1-to-1 is fetch type is Jaeger by default. Fetch type is Jaeger. So I am not mentioning any fetch type. Next one, join column is a foreign key. So we need foreign key for linking two tables. We need foreign key. What is cascade? Cascade is nothing but whatever operation done in one table, like whatever operation done in customer table, it will be reflected to subscription table as well. For example, I am saving customer record, so subscription record also saved. So I am retrieving customer, the subscription also retrieved. In 1-to-1 by using page type. Like if page type is lazy, then by default it will load only like customer records, but it is Jaeger, so it is loading both. Suppose it is parent, subscription is child, both it will load it. This is for the whatever operation done in parent, it will be reflected to child as well. Page type is nothing but when should load, it will decide page type. Join column is nothing but foreign key, link between two tables. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video channel. I will also create more example about associative mapping, like it is unidirectional. Like I will create for bidirectional, like one to menu, menu to one, menu to many. Those also I will create soon. Thank you for watching.